Welcome to the second video in our lesson on area of circles. Here we're going to look at a couple of word problems that will be solved using the formula for area of a circle, pi r squared. So let's have a look. A pizza has a diameter of 30 centimeters. If it will be cut into 8 equal pieces, what is the area of each piece? So we can find the area of the whole pizza and then divide that by 8 to find the area of each piece. So now since it's circular, we'll use the pi r squared formula. Now I see that we're not given the radius, we're given the diameter. So let's start by figuring out what the radius is. The radius is half the diameter, so half of 30 gives me 15 centimeters as the radius. So now I'll plug that into the formula. I'll have 3.14 times 15 squared. So you can enter that into your calculator as is if you can find the squared button on your calculator. So give that a try. So if you can't find that button or you don't have it, you could also just enter 3.14 times 15 times 15. They're the same. So either way, you should get an answer of 706.5 square centimeters. Now, as I mentioned, that is the area of the whole pizza. So now let's divide that by 8. And when I do that, I get this. So I'll say that each slice of pizza has an area of 88.3125 square centimeters. So now for the next example, it says a round plate with a diameter of 26 centimeters is laid on a rectangular placemat that measures 26 centimeters by 36 centimeters. So let's see what that would look like. Now we're looking for how much space is left on the placemat. So we're looking for the area of the shaded region. Now let me add in my dimensions. The width of the placemat is 26 centimeters and the length is 36. So how can we figure out the area of the shaded region? Well, if we just find the area of the rectangle and then subtract the area of the circle, then we're left with what we want. So let's try that. I'm going to write this as the amount of space left is equal to the area of the placemat subtract the area of the plate. So let's start by finding the area of the placemat. Now since it's rectangular, we can just use the formula length times width. The length and width are 36 and 26, so I'll plug those in to get an area of 936 square centimeters. Now for the plate. Since that's circular, we will say pi r squared. Now we're not given the radius, but we can easily figure that out because we're given the diameter. The radius is half of the diameter, and half of 26 is 13. So you can try using the squared button on your calculator again, or just entering 3.14 times 13 times 13. See if you get an answer of 530.66 square centimeters. So now I'm going to subtract the two areas. When I subtract them, I get 405.34 square centimeters. So that's the amount of space left on the placemat. So now you can complete the activities in the section before moving on.